In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw USDT from Trust Wallet. To withdraw USDT from Trust Wallet, what you need to do is you need to first open the exchange and copy your USDT deposit address. So open any of the web browser, go to this extension and click onto this Trust Wallet here. Over here, what you can do is you can simply click onto the search here in the top, and from here you need to type down USDT. And over here, you need to select this USDT, Ethereum, or any of the other USDT as you prefer. So from here, what you need to do is you need to click onto this send here. So over here in the Trust Wallet, after you click onto the send over here, you need to type down the recipient's address. And after that, you can paste the amount. And over here, after that, you can type the amount. And after that, you can click onto this preview and enter the amount and confirm the transaction and follow the on-screen instruction. Ensure you have enough of the network's native coin to pay the transaction fee. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.